Did you know that you could be making a lot of money by just being a content creator on Facebook? Let me show you. Click on the Facebook icon. After that, there's a Facebook page here. Just click on the three bars at the top here. Now click on the professional dashboard under shortcuts and click on monetizations. Let's check, it's taking a while. There are a lot of ways to earn through ads on reels, bonuses, live ads, in-stream ads, and subscriptions. Let's start with ads on reels. Ads on reels you can only earn through invites. You must be invited to start earning through the reels. Same to bonuses, you must be invited to start earning. But you could be earning a lot of money through live ads. Let me show you the live ads. For you to earn through the live ads, you must live in a country that is eligible. You must follow Facebook's content monetization policies, and you must have at least 10,000 followers. Then your eligible videos, including on-demand, live ad, and previously live, have been viewed at least 600,000 minutes in the last 60 days. You must have at least 600,000 minutes in the last 60 days. Then there's this requirement, at least 660,000 of those minutes are from live videos. See that? It means that you should be at least going live frequently so that Facebook can start paying you. Then at least 3 videos were previously live in the last 90 days. These are just some requirements. Let's check the other option, earning the in-stream ads. Most of you have seen these ads when you are playing videos on Facebook. See that sample in that video there. Now, you must reside in an eligible country, follow monetization policies, have at least 5,000 followers. Okay, same here. 60,000 minutes in the last 60 days. And you've shared at least 5 eligible videos in the last 30 days. So that's how to earn. Okay, I want to tell you something. Eligible countries. Most of the countries in the US, most of the countries in the Western countries are eligible to earn on Facebook. And African countries, in Africa, there are only 2 countries that can earn through Facebook. So it's Egypt and South Africa. So when you are in Africa and you want to earn through Facebook, you could give somebody your login, somebody residing in the eligible countries, to help you apply. But don't do it on your own through tricks like VPN, because you will not be verified. Hope that helps, guys. Thank you.